What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. We are here at Jonathan Towson's house, pulling out right here in the M4. But in today's video, we are going to show you guys how to shoot, some cinematic rollers with your car. All you need is 2 people and a tow hook mount on the back, or even a suction cup mount would work. And he's going to show you the rig, the setup, how he's controlling it on his phone, and all the other extras that you need to know. But thank you guys for clicking on this video. Hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, subscribe, hit the bell, follow us on Instagram. And yeah, let's get into this video. All right, we got our boy, Jonathan.
Yo.
What's
what
good,
up?
what's good, what's good?
Noggin.
So, Noggin. So tell everybody today, what are we doing? And then what's the setup? And how are we going to utilize, or how are we going to set it up on each of our cars?
We're going to be setting it up on this video, putting it all together, and then we're going to go take some rollers.
All you need is 2 people.
Yeah, 2 people.
That's it.
It's crazy.
And this is the DJI Pocket Osmo 3. Or say it backwards.
Yeah, DJI Pocket, you got me messed up. DJI Osmo Pocket 3.
Nice.
Yeah. So it's just like a little handheld gimbal, 1-inch sensor, 4K. We will be filming at 4K 24, probably 1/50, 50 to 100 ISO.
It's literally like a mini DSLR and a gimbal in one, which is insane. That's crazy.
Yeah, it's good.
So portable, so easy to use. It looks like it's easy to use, right? You can control it on your phone.
Easy. Starts face tracking.
That's crazy. So does this do an auto track, or you have to do it on your phone?
So on the device itself, it can do a auto track if you like double tap on the subject. It automatically tracks faces unless you turn it off. But if you want it to subject tracked easily on the phone, you just make a little box on it, and we'll show you that.
Yeah, we'll show you that in the car. We have the back tow hook mount, so he's going to show you how to do that.
Yeah, so I picked up this mount on Amazon from Craven Speed. I'll give the link to Viet so you guys can also choose it. But this one is the extended one, as you see. So this is the one I bought. This is the one that they sent me.
So you bought a little longer one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we just screw it to the back where the tow hook is.
Most modern day BMWs have this tow hook mount in the back. Shout out to our boy Vin over in Seattle. The cinematics on this little camera are just amazing. It's actually crazy. You just torqued it down a little bit?
Yeah, just torqued it down a little bit. You don't need to go too hard because you don't want to deal with having to try to break it loose later. It'll stay secure. Just make sure you watch out for your paint. For sure.
And then the next piece, what you're putting on?
This is the camera mount or camera bracket that they give you. Make sure you have the washer on this side of the nut. So it's like that. Same thing, just tighten it, and we'll snug it up with that tool that they give you.
Nice. And I saw you and F30 Skirt have been shooting some rollers recently. How have those turned out?
Dude, sick.
So sick, right?
So sick. I think he's going to drop some B-roll now of some of the ones that I've taken, but yeah, super sick.
Absolutely.
Love it, and it's been helping with the page.
Hell yeah, he had one take off. It was sick. I'm telling you, the rollers are better than some of like the cinematography that I've seen on Instagram.
So they give you this too. This is the little tool that they give to tighten everything. So it comes with it.
What's the battery life on this? Is it pretty good?
So I think with me and F30 Skirt or Kyler, we filmed for about an hour or so, 20 minutes each, and it ended up at like 80-something%. And that's like
that's
filming
good.
the whole time. So that's pretty good.
That's really good, yeah.
So I have the creator kit. This is what I got for Christmas.
Nice.
And mine comes with the extended battery pack. So you can actually just detach it. And
so the camera comes separately than the creator pack?
It has the camera, and then it comes with this bag full of crap, which is like this piece.
Yeah. You got the extendo battery.
Extendo battery and the DJI Mic 2.
Crazy.
Which is right here.
Sick.
Yeah. It gives you like one ultra wide lens too. Nice. So yeah, in case you need more battery life, you have this.
Nice. And so you can shoot, you said 4K, 24, 30.
4K 24, 30, I think you can do 120. Let me check if you can do 120. I know you can do 60. I'll hop in the car and then I will show you the tracking.
Nice. I don't think you guys have seen Jonathan's car on the channel recently at least, but look at his new steering wheel. I think I showed it at Invasion, but this thing is sick. It's a JQ Works, right?
Yep.
JQ Works, fully detachable, right?
Yes, you can do that real quick.
Race car, race car. Race car driver, damn, that's sick. And you got the magnetic pedals, of course, with the cage, you guys see. All right, now we're in the car. Jonathan's gonna walk you through what he just did and what he has on his phone.
So I have a small rig suction mount right here. We're actually currently in vertical mode, but we'll change this later.
Nice. So you could literally have full control basically
full
over the
control,
camera.
and so because of how bright it is, we can change the ND, of course, or we can just change the ISO if anything. So let's lower this for now.
Crazy.
Just for photos for this particular reason. And then when I want to select a subject, I just drag a box around like that, and then now it's tracking. So I have some ND filters. It's not that bright, so we'll probably just use the one. Let's see, is this a ND 8? Yep. So we'll probably just use the ND 8. Already has the polarizer on it.
Oh, nice.
And I'll just magnetically attach.
That's sick. It's magnet.
Yep. So
I was wondering about like CPL and NDs on this. That's sick.
So then we can.
Oh yeah, you can see me recording right there. You guys see it on the vlog.
So if we're trying to find a subject,
Yep.
just
Wow.
box
That's
it like that, and that's
And
it.
now if the car moves, it moves with it like a little gimbal. And that's easy. And then you have all the controls there. You can even control the ND, you said, ISO.
Yeah, so I can do all that here. I just have to make sure it's not recording while I do it.
Yeah.
But we can set it, you know, to ISO max. So I can set the max ISO, let's just say to 800. I can actually set the ISO to like 50 or whatnot, but we can give it a range for our purposes. I think it'll be okay.
Nice. Filming the F80 today. You guys see it. Looks clean, but it's actually dirty.
I think we want to get Viet's car with downtown Orlando in the background. I think that's gonna look sick.
Yeah.
What color are your angel eyes? Or
Oh,
we're
he
gonna
said-
keep it a secret.
You can keep it a secret. Keep it a
We'll
secret.
keep it a secret. We're gonna hopefully get a good side shot of his car.
Yeah.
Without my car in it. That's a little bit hard because of just where it's mounted.
Yeah.
But we'll definitely get like a front thirds, and then definitely try to get a side shot.
Yeah.
And then we'll try to do like a couple lanes out, couple lanes closer, right
Yeah.
behind, you know, whatever.
Literally, like you're like on a rally. You're directing traffic, but it's literally just us two. It's so sick. All right, so we are back in the F80 now, but the Pocket 3 is right there, and it is tracking my car right now. So you guys will see the footage once we overlay it. But everything that my car does is gonna follow me. I think that's so sick. I actually want to get one now. Look at Jonathan's beautiful Avi picture. We have him on the speaker right now. He's gonna give us instructions once we get going. Like, what's the focal length on the camera itself?
Yeah, I think it's like 20 or 24 mil or something like that.
That's still super like wide for how small it is, because there's no zoom factor, right? You have to do that in post.
Right. Your front bumper, your rear bumper, essentially.
All right.
If you can. Yeah, that looks great.
No way. This is sick. We're rolling, boys and girls.
Yeah, that looks dope.
Nice.
So keep it, let's come up a little bit more.
Yep.
And I'll keep letting it track. Oh yeah, right there.
All right.
Right there, stay right there.
Yep. We're cruising by downtown, and you guys can see in the background. Just pulled into a gas station to reset, but you guys see it right there. Jonathan said it was following my car the whole time. Maybe when we switch off, we'll have it track one of us outside the car, and I'll show you guys how good the tracking actually is. We put the yellow DRLs back in just for today, so hope you guys enjoy the footage. Can't wait to get some more clips. There we are.
Oh, Jesus.
Rip to the lip. We got it.
We got it. I'm on an angle. Get behind me. I'm gonna get one over, and then.
Alright.
Perfect. Cool.
So we gotta stay close to Jonathan's rear right bumper, of course, and we are passing downtown Orlando right now. You guys will already know this shot's gonna turn out insane.
And as we pass downtown right now, we're about to get some of these skyscraper buildings.
Yep.
There we go.
The shot's sick.
Yeah, this looks freaking stunner with the gold wheels and stuff. But you know, besides that,
Yeah, we are on the busiest road in Orlando. There's traffic, is inevitable. All right, we just got some sick shots. We're actually gonna probably switch the camera to my car now, and then get some dope rollers of Jonathan's car. All right, a few things I wanted to ask you was, with the mic that comes with it, is it what, like a wireless mic, or it attaches onto the camera itself?
Yeah, so it's a wireless mic. It's like the DJI mics that I have for my camera.
Yep.
And this one actually has noise canceling and 32-bit float, so it's definitely better for stuff like this, where
Nice.
you might blow the mic out
Yeah.
and whatnot.
But where does that attach?
It can clip. It has a magnet, so like it fits like on the actual crash bar inside.
Oh, wow.
So like that's what I did for my clips.
Yeah.
Where I just put it inside.
So you can hear the exhaust a little bit.
Yep.
While you throw some music on it, maybe.
Yep.
Nice.
So this-
And how's the audio quality?
It's actually really good.
Nice.
Surprisingly, for what it is, I'm actually amazed.
So we're gonna be switching over the setup, the new camera car, and we're gonna get some dope rollers of Jonathan's M4. And the people are gonna ask at the end, but they want to know: are you for hire now?
Sure, why not?
Let's go. You guys see how simple the setup is? I'm still amazed. I already know the shots are gonna look sick without even seeing them. This is just another fun way to spend your Sunday with the bros, filming some content for Instagram, YouTube, whatever, having fun while doing it.
So on the M's, you just take a little flathead that you get in your cubby, just slid it in right here and pull out, and it should just pop out like that.
Nice. And you said on the 3 Series it's different?
On the 3 Series, it's like a little push, and you just push,
that's
pop
what
it in, and then it comes out.
Gotcha, yeah, that's what I remember on my old car. Nice. All right, so Jonathan switched over the DJI, the Pocket 3, over to my F80, as you guys can see right there. And yeah, he's gonna set up the phone mount now. All right, so Jonathan's had this since Christmas, and then would you recommend this, of course?
100%. Yeah, so the amount of rollers and content I've been getting recently that seem to have been doing well, I mean, it's been good, so.
Makes it well worth it.
Yeah, well worth it.
So now that we're switching it over to my car, Wang downloaded the
DJI Mimo app.
DJI Mimo app on my phone, so we don't even have to switch his phone to my car. And he said you don't even need to log into an account or anything. You just switch it over and it'll pair to my phone, which is super sick. Back in the driver's seat now. Wang is on speakerphone, so you guys will hear him, but we have his M4 tracked. We are now the lead car, the camera car, and yeah, we're gonna go back on the highway and see what we can get. You said the camera is not waterproof?
It is not waterproof.
Not waterproof, true. And then you said the other thing that you wish you could fix was what else?
If it had some sort of like optical zoom, because if
true.
it had optical zoom, we would be able to like get like different type of focal length shots and whatnot. It has digital zoom, but it's definitely not as good as, you know, leaving it at the default
True that.
focal length.
True. And then you might have mentioned this earlier, but if you're recording in landscape, I just saw it switch to 4K. And then if you're in vertical, you said it's a what, 3K?
Yeah, it's like 3K.
True that. All right, we're gonna go ahead and show you with my finger. We're gonna track Jonathan's M4. You guys see right there, we have a green box around his car, so we are good to go. I'm gonna put the camera down so we don't crash, and we're gonna get some more clips. Yeah, that was like the easiest day of filming ever, bro. That was sick, and it was fun. The only thing that you really have to navigate is the Orlando traffic on I-4 with the crazy drivers. Thanks, Wayne, for having me. I'm definitely down to do this again. Another question I had for you before we wrap this up is, how's the memory card on this? Can you put any size memory card in this?
Yeah, so I don't know the max that it can handle, but I know it has a micro SD. So
Nice.
it's right here on the side. It just pops right out.
Nice. Oh, like a GoPro.
Yep.
And what size do you have in there?
128.
Nice. That's plenty of footage for
Yeah,
what we did
plenty,
today.
plenty.
Yeah. And Wayne didn't even charge it up today, and we still had plenty of life left after filming a couple rounds of rollers. This is sick, man. Thinking about getting one now because it's so fun. Like
why not?
if Jonathan wasn't available, you know, I could have my wife film on her Kia. We'll just get a suction cup mount or something, you know. That's how easy it is. But yeah, this is super fun. Again, I already said this before. I already know the footage is gonna turn out sick. You guys will see it on Instagram. Make sure you guys do me a favor, follow my boy. Thousands on Instagram and subscribe to his channel. It'll be linked in the description below. And then we'll also link all the products and hardware and what camera equipment that Jonathan mentioned earlier in the description. Appreciate it.
Yep, absolutely.
That's a wrap.